Guys, do you want to see giant pandas, capybaras at mantis? Kami ng little one ko, we actually saw them sa River Wonder, Singapore. And grabe, ang saya! Parang nature adventure na pang family bonding talaga. My kid was so amazed like, wow, nandyan sila in real life. Siyempre, as a mom, kailangan hassle-free lahat. So I booked our tickets through Agoda. Super dali, tapos e-tickets lang, diretso scan sa entrance. No pila, no stress, happy kid, happy mom. Di ba perfect? Kasi kung may toddler ka, importante yung mabilis at smooth. And while exploring naman, sobrang excited yung anak ko, parang naglalakad siya sa real-life Amazon forest. Ako naman, ang saya to see him enjoying, sulit talaga for families. So if you're planning a Singapore trip with your family, promise, River Wonder is a must. And para mas makatipid, gamitin nyo yung promo codes ko when you book through Agoda. Family adventure, less gastos, perfect combination. Book via Agoda and redeem my promo codes and make memories with your kids.